What is up, guys? It's King Carl, and today...
Carly, why is your Bobby in here?
That's just my mom speaking to me. Yeah.
What the heck am I watching this? Carly,
My
are you
mom.
posting everything?
My mom is watching Gravity Falls. And I got Woody here, just chilling. He has a beard now. He showed a beard. A freaking beard. Here, Ted. Do you want to buy him? Go to Guam and buy this. Go to Guam and buy this. If you don't know Guam, leave a comment down below what's Guam. It's an island where I was born. Here's the real toy, guys. Alright, change camera. Not that one. No, this one. That one right there. That is it for all today. If you missed the video, make sure to smash that like button for me. And I'll see you next video. Peace. I don't know why I did that, but peace, guys.